Welcome to Creative Kids Park YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about vegetables.
Yummy vegetable.
Kids, what is name of this vegetable?
Potato.
Amazing. It is a potato. Can you identify this vegetable?
Broccoli.
Excellent. Broccoli is a nutrient-rich vegetable. And what is the name of other similar vegetable?
Cauliflower like broccoli.
Brilliant. Both broccoli and cauliflower belong to the same plants family. Do you know the name of this vegetable?
Corn.
Good. Corn is a cereal grain first domesticated about 10,000 years ago. Kids, what is name of this vegetable?
Bell pepper.
Well done. The bell pepper is full of vitamin C. Can you identify this vegetable?
Onion.
Amazing. Onion is widely used to flavor dishes. Do you know the name of this vegetable?
Carrot.
Excellent. Carrot is an excellent source of beta-carotene, and contain high amount of fiber. Kids, what is name of this vegetable?
Cabbage.
Brilliant. Cabbage is closely related to broccoli and cauliflower. Can you identify this vegetable?
Radish.
Well done. Radish is mostly eaten raw as a crunchy salad vegetable. Do you know the name of this vegetable?
Mushroom.
Amazing. Mushrooms have no leaves, roots or seeds and don't need light, so they're not a true vegetable. Kids, what is name of this vegetable?
Cucumber. Yummy cucumber.
Excellent. Cucumbers are low in fat, sodium, and calories. Can you identify this vegetable?
Sweet potato.
Brilliant. Sweet potatoes are starchy root vegetables that are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Do you know the name of this vegetable?
Celery.
Well done. Celery is a light, crisp vegetable with low calorie. Kids, what is name of this vegetable?
Avocado.
Amazing. Avocado is one of the few fruits that contain healthy unsaturated fats. Can you identify this vegetable?
Tomato.
Excellent. Tomato is considered a culinary vegetable. Do you know the name of this vegetable?
Squash. Yummy squash.
Brilliant. Squash grow on the vines. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to Creative Kids Park channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.